hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are good. So today I'm in Prayagraj city because of the Sangam. I'm in Sangam Prayagraj, and all pilgrims from all over the world come here. And in terms of Hindu mythology, it is believed that if you one time bath in Mahakumbh, you get moksha when you after death. So Mahakumbh is very important because it is come after 144 years, and it's very important because if we go into the past, then completing after the half Mahakumbh, 12 times comes the Mahakumbh. So one half Kumbh is come every 12 years, and this half Kumbh, when comes half 12 times, it creates Mahakumbh. So this is the history of Mahakumbh, and there is a beautiful view in Mahakumbh. All over the pilgrims from all over the world come and take blessings from Mahaganga and Yamuna. And in the later part of this video, I will show all the glimpse and beautiful development in the city of Sangam, in Prayagraj. It is very beautiful in Mahakumbh, and as always beautiful always. But there is lots of development because of the Mahakumbh. It comes from 144 years. It creates a great impression. Government also gave importance to Prayagraj Sangam and build an incredible infrastructure in the Sangam. And in my point of view, you have to visit once in your lifetime in Mahakumbh, because it is very, if you are devoted to God and you are divine soul, then definitely you have to visit Prayagraj Sangam, because it is a very peaceful city and very peace in your mind. Your mind will be very peaceful when you came here, and give blessings from लेटे हुए हनुमान जी और बड़े हनुमान जी. Bade Hanuman ji is very powerful and very strong God. Lord Hanuman is in the sleep position in Prayagraj Sangam, and that's why he called Lete Hue Hanuman ji and Bade Hanuman ji. And he have a very strong and powerful aura, and if you came here, you feel the real energy and great atmosphere in his Parangan, and this very amazing feeling when I come here and take blessings from Bade Hanuman ji. You can check in the later part of the video. All the glimpses and the videos are attached with these videos, and I will show all the beautiful scenes of Prayagraj. There is lots of painting on the walls, and there is lots of railways, trains are for especially for the Mela, like Sangam Mela, especially run because of the Sangam Mela from all over the India. And railway tracks connects all the cities from all over the India to Prayagraj Sangam, and special trains also run by the government. So if you ever chance to visit this, then definitely you have to visit this, because it is very helpful for you and for your mind. Or 40 crore people's pilgrims expected to come here, and government is expected to earn a revenue of targeted revenue to earn from this Prayagraj Sangam Mela is 2 lakh crores from this, and it very help to the government. Okay, so I end up this vlog with this बड़े हनुमान जी का निकास द्वार है, एग्जिट है ये, और एंट्री का पीछे से है। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि कितनी ज़्यादा भीड़ है, आ रही है जा रही है दर्शन करने के लिए। आगे 10 तारीख है और एकादशी है, तो इसीलिए इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ है। और 13 तारीख से 26 तारीख से शुरू है महाकुंभ, उसमें और भीड़ रहेगी।